met in college. We had a great 4 years college studious life, but I don't remember a moment where I think I asked her, what are you doing, what are your likes and dislikes. I think it was all casual. When we started interacting each other, we started knowing each other well, and it was very natural and very smooth. We didn't have that very moment, and I think which Arnima always wanted to have that. She would want to have one particular moment where she felt that, oh, this is the moment. We couldn't have that moment, but I think as we started knowing each other, we understood better. We got to know each other very well. It was towards the end of our college life. We interacted more frequently and started to gel well. I think Mysore brought us closer, and that's where things started clicking in. It was the environment, the masti, the moods and the walks that made it happen.
होना था प्यार, होना था प्यार, हुआ मेरे यार, होना था प्यार.
It's been long that I have known Mudit, but मुझे कभी ये नहीं पता था कि ये ही वो लड़का है जिससे मैं शादी करूँगी, जिसके साथ अपनी सारी ज़िंदगी बिताऊँगी आगे जाके. तो इट रियली फील्स नाइस. अब सडनली ये सोचना कि ये इसके साथ जिसके साथ इतने पल बिताए हैं, कुछ ही दिनों में उससे शादी हो जाएगी. आई एम एंगेज्ड ऑलरेडी. अब एक दिन बाद मैं उसके साथ 7 फेरे लूँगी. It makes me feel very good about it.
तेरे दिल के शहर में घर मेरा हो गया, हो गया.
सपना देखा जो तुमने वो मेरा हो गया, हो गया.
डूबे तो यूं जैसे हो पार, होना था प्यार, हुआ मेरे यार, होना था प्यार. दिलों की बाहें हम आते सालों में
आए जवाब हमने तेरे सवालों में.
ख्वाबों की डोर.
Hey Anima, hey Mudit, congratulations to you. साथ में बोल नहीं. So Arnima, we're very happy that you are entering into a beautiful phase of your life. Oh please, I'll drop you from here. Anyway, so we're very happy that you are entering into the most beautiful phase of your lovely love affair, which we have seen you have nurtured through endless exams, assignments, office hours, late nighters, and that brutal time difference that you had between nations. So congratulations that you are finally entering into this.
चलना है मुश्किल तो जल्दी ही सही, आँखों के किनारों में बहाने ही सही। हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में, धड़कने भी तेज है अब क्या करें। वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें।
I know that 70 years, 80 years down the line, I can still see her face every morning and feel fresh about it. I think now we've decided to take this step further, and I want both of us to live happily, not think too much about what's went wrong, what's gonna be right, and plan too much into future. We want to live a very carefree life with no hassles and no worries and no tension, and hopefully we'll live this life soon.
Very cute, very dashing, very fashion conscious. नहीं भाभी ये ठीक नहीं है, भाभी ये कलर ठीक है, ये ठीक है, ये नहीं ऑरेंज मैच नहीं हो रहा, ब्लू मैच है. So
yeah, he is
very fashionable.
So Arnima, we're very happy for you, almost crying. So wait, let's just shed one Khushi Kathu.
So I met Mudit in 7th grade, and the first thing that I remember about him is his lunch boxes, which were huge, and I used to be very jealous because I used to get one small box and he used to have this 6 container come for lunch.
Auntie, thank you.
Na na ra ra na ra ra na ra ra na ra ra na na ra ra na ra ra na ra ra, जिसे सोच कर आँखों में अश्क और चेहरे पे खुशी आए, कहानी अब तक ऐसी बनी कि दोहराने को दिल चाहे. ना ना रा रा ना.
And now here in Lonavala, the D-Day has arrived and both of them are getting married. I am so happy for them. I really wanted this to happen and it is happening now.
Oh, and by the way, Rachita is not here, Archita, so she sent a little message for you. It says, hey Tirum, hearty congratulations on your big day. Sorry I couldn't be there to share it with you. I wish you two best of both worlds. Lots of happiness, lots of kids, and love that grows each day. My prayers for you too. Now that she's in Tirupati, yes, better pray for us. ऐश करना, मस्त रहना, दुनियादारी का ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लेना.
एक बार मुझे पता चला कि मुदित ने इसको प्रपोज किया है, तो मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं रहा.
Arnima Trish is very pretty, sweet, charming.
Great dancer.
Yeah, actually she's a very great dancer.
Again, we are super happy, you can say.
I love his smile. I think it's super infectious. He comes at you and he's smiling and you think he's up to something. He's like super naughty with that smile. Even if he's innocent, you think, oh, he's the one. इसी ने कुछ किया है. इसी की वो दाढ़ी में तिनका है, you know, kind of thing.
आज ये खुशी का दिन मेरी जिंदगी में आया है और भगवान करे ऐसे बच्चे, ऐसी लड़की सब किसी को दे जैसी मुझे दी है.
Apart from the wedding that is happening here, there's a big story going around. The biggest gossip here is what you did in Pondicherry. So, you know, it's the talk of the town. We don't want to reveal it in the camera. But we also heard what happened in Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
yeah, the craziest moments were in our Pondi trip together.
Okay, I think my trip from Mysore to Hyderabad was the craziest moment. We never planned for it, and I went and gave her a good surprise. During those 2 days, I think we had a lot of fun, lot of masti. I think that's where I would feel that it's the craziest 2 days we had in our lives. Karthik calling Karthik.
We have cheated on that. Okay, I'll say the same answer which she has given. We cheated. Karthik calling Karthik.
I think Arnima is the lucky one.
We are lucky.
Arnima Bhabhi, welcome to the family and thanks for accepting us. Wish you a great luck.
Wish you a very happy married life.
All the best.
All the best.
यही बोलूँगा बस कि विश यू अ हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू मुदित जीजा जी कि वो बहुत फाइट करें.
मुदित and Arnima.
चक दे.
So Arnima, especially for you. तुझ पे ये हरा रंग मुदित ने ही डाला. Just kidding, yeah. Stay blessed.